Hi, how you going? This is Todd from Prado 120 Adventures, doing a bit of an update video for everyone who's been following the build so far. I've had a few months of not uploading too much because... Can you not? I'm trying to do a video here. Very annoying. Yeah, so I had a few months where I wasn't doing a lot of work to my car and uploading videos. I was doing a little bit of work for some small jobs, but nothing too drastic. And I haven't really had too much time to upload things and edit videos because I got married. I'm officially a Mr. now, which is meant to be my father's name. Now it's my name. Can you go away? So yeah, that's sort of put a bit of a hold on things, and I haven't been able to upload as much. But now I'm coming to the end of uni for the year. I've got some big things happening now, which I'm going to be installing shortly, and I'm going to take you through them all. So yeah, keep tuned, and I'll show you what's going to go on my Prado very, very soon. So here it all is, all the bits and pieces that I'm going to be putting on to the Prado very shortly, once I get some more time and have a bit more effort. So what I'm doing is basically replacing all the suspension except for the rear springs, because they are newer. I replaced them to put heavy duty ones in, because the medium duty ones sagged with the rooftop tent and everything else on top. So I've gone all out. I've got some Superior Engineering front struts. These are the adjustable ones that they use for the 3 to 4 inch lift, and they have different collars you use for different heights that you want to go for. I'll just be going for something between 2 and 3 inch, but it'll have the extra travel for the wheel articulation, and some new springs to go on the front as well, because the front ones are dead. These are Dobinson coils. They are to suit a very light duty 3 inch lift, so they should give a bit more flex on the front. So we'll see how they go once they're in. All the little bits and pieces, you do have to sort of build them a bit more compared to the other ones I got. Had Old Man Emu in the front there, which isn't too bad, but this would be much better, I think. Yeah, so that's for the front. Then the rear, I got some new shocks, because even though I rebuilt the shocks previously, I noticed that they were starting to fade, and this suspension lift has been in for about 4 years, and in that time I've done about 120,000 Ks, so it's pretty shagged. So they're going in the bin, and some new stuff going on. So I've got these for the rear, which I'm very, very excited about. These are Pro Fender 4 inch shocks with remote reservoirs to go, and they are adjustable as well, so very interested to try them out. Never had adjustable shocks before, so I'll get to play with those, get to mount the remote resi somewhere in the wheel arch, and Pro Fender give you some brackets and bits and pieces to put all that together. So we'll see how that goes. That'll be fun to put in. New rubbers and things, because mine are quite old. What else I got? Oh, for the fronts, upper ball joints are very much gone. They've had a very hard life. One of them's got a split boot, which hasn't probably helped it. So these are greasable extended upper ball joints. So these sit down, you can see there, that section there, 25mm of extra height, so that should help to keep things flat with the extra height that's going in there. So 2 of those. So I'm going to be attempting to put them in myself, because I've now bought myself a new bench vise. So as anyone with a workshop would know, you're always buying new tools and equipment, and this will just make my life so much easier compared to putting G-clamps on wooden benches and breaking stuff. So I'm going to be trying to press in and press out the old bushes, so we'll see how that goes. So yep, they're from Road Safe, I believe. Yeah, keen to see how they go. Okay, these ones, new D bushes for the front sway bars. The rubbers in there are very badly worn, and I think it's letting the sway bar move left and right, and it's causing a lot of squeaks and stuff. So pretty cheap and easy to replace these ones. That'll be good. What else I got? Oh, I'm going to be rebuilding all the brake calipers as well. But mainly the front ones. The rears have been done pretty recently. So these are for well, the 120s and the 150s have the same front brake caliper, so these are for all the rubbers and everything in the front calipers. They come with a bit of grease in there to help you get all the rubbers and stuff on. I've got some new pistons if I need them, though all the front ones are still moving, so as long as they come out easy, then I don't have to replace any. But I've got a spare one there, just in case. Sticker, obviously. Got to show you sponsors, because race car. And the other thing I'll be installing is replacing all the rubber brake lines with some extended braided brake lines. Very excited to try these out. I mean, you've got a car that's done 443,000 k's it's done now, so it's been around the block. It's 14 years old. The rubbers will have just died, so they're not leaking or anything, but I want to replace them. If I'm going to be rebuilding the front calipers and extending the lines, then you may as well change all the rubbers and put new brake lines in there. Should give much better brake feel. I'm tempted to put new front rotors on as well, just to help with the braking, but we'll see how we go. And the final thing, which I'm very excited about, is this tiny little thing in here. This is alternator booster diode by ABR. Yeah, I've been having some troubles with the fridge in the back of the car, especially when we go camping. We'll stay one night and then the fridge will start getting warm. And I don't think, because I'm just using a Redarc isolator, the SBI 12 I think it's called, it doesn't charge. I think it goes up to 14.2 volts or something like that, so hopefully this will bump it up a little bit further and help to charge the batteries fuller and then keep them fuller for longer. So that'll be a pretty easy one to fit, but I reckon I'll notice a big difference with that one. It was, you know, paying $30 for this thing or paying $400 for a new BC-DC new charger for the battery and do new wiring and stuff. So we'll try this first. If it fixes it, awesome. If not, then we take the next step. So this will all be going on the car within the next week. I'll be doing videos of it, obviously, because I want to show you all and show myself that you can do all this at home and it's not a difficult job. So yeah, come with me. Hope you get to see everything, and yeah, enjoy the install. Should be good. Next time you see it, this bench should be empty or full of boxes and plastic. Everything will be on there. Thanks for watching, guys. Keep up to date on the Prado 120 Adventures YouTube channel, and yeah, make sure you hit that subscribe button and also the little bell notifications. It'll let you know when a new video comes out. Thanks, guys. Catch you later.